Working on a Gudgeon and rear frame package, and while the service advisor does not give any specs or any way to actually test or know if the spindle's worn, what we've deciphered based off of looking at Gudgeons and rear frames that are off, this is still on a standing tractor. So the gap in between the Gudgeon and the rear frame is relatively the same. So if there's excessive wear, it's going to be closer here at the bottom, because that's where your Gudgeon and rear frame will rub together. And then your little, it's hard to tell, but there's a little seal, or it's a big seal, but there's a seal inside there. And then that won't, basically it won't keep the dirt, dust, water, whatever out of your spindle, whether it's a bushing or bearing, and it just makes it wear out faster. So that's how we're going to QC them, and that's how you can look at yours to know. You may know your Gudgeon's bad, you may not know if your rear frame's bad. So looking at that gap in between there would help you know whether you need to order just one piece. I guess it would help you know prior to disassemble, because we sell it individually, both of them individually, and then we also sell it as a package. We sell the Gudgeon and the rear frame in case if it's had a lot of issues. So that's how we can tell. It's how we're going to QC them, and how you can on yours.